Upgrade your home with these robotic window cleaning gadgets. Hello, and welcome to our video on the best robotic window cleaners for 2023. Are you tired of spending hours cleaning your windows by hand? Well, look no further, as we researched and tested the latest robotic window cleaners on the market to bring you our top picks. In this video, we'll be discussing the standout features, benefits, and drawbacks of each product, so you can make an informed decision when purchasing a robotic window cleaner. Whether you're a homeowner, business owner, or just looking to simplify your cleaning routine, we've got you covered. So sit back, relax, and let us guide you through the best robotic window cleaners for 2023. Best for full-length windows. Hobot 388. First off, we have the Hobot 388. This is a highly advanced cleaning robot designed specifically for cleaning glass surfaces, and it promises to make your life a lot easier. One of the standout features of the Hobot 388 is its smart navigation system. It uses advanced algorithms to determine the most efficient cleaning path for your windows, ensuring that it cleans every inch of the surface without missing any spots. Another great feature of this robot cleaner is its powerful suction system. It can easily stick to any glass surface and move around freely, even when it's cleaning in a vertical position. The robot also comes with a safety rope that ensures it won't fall off the window, giving you peace of mind while it's working. There are many benefits to using the Hobot 388 window cleaning robot. Firstly, it saves you a lot of time and effort instead of work for you. This is especially useful if you have a large home with many windows. Another benefit is that the Hobot 388 cleans your windows more thoroughly than you could on your own. Feature-packed AlfaBot X7. Next is the AlfaBot X7. This is also a highly advanced cleaning robot designed specifically for cleaning glass surfaces, and it's packed with features that make it one of the best options out there. It comes with a range of features that set it apart from other window cleaning robots. One of its standout features is its intelligent cleaning system, which uses advanced algorithms to navigate around obstacles and clean every inch of your window without missing any spots. This means you can sit back and relax while the robot does all the work for you. Another great feature of the AlfaBot X7 is its powerful suction system. It uses a high-speed fan motor to create a strong suction force, allowing it to stick to any glass surface and move around freely, even when cleaning in a vertical position. What's more, it also has built-in AI voice assistant, which can respond to voice commands and provide you with real-time updates on the cleaning process. You can also control the robot using the AlfaBot app, which allows you to start and stop the cleaning process, adjust the cleaning speed and mode, and even schedule cleaning times for your convenience. Best value. Mamibot W120T. Next up, we have the Mamibot W120T. This model is an advanced cleaning robot designed to specifically clean glass surfaces. It offers unique features that make it one of the top contenders in the market. It utilizes advanced algorithms to plan the most efficient cleaning path for your windows, ensuring that it cleans every inch of the surface without leaving any spots untouched. This means you can simply sit back and relax while the robot does all the work for you. It has the ability to easily attach to any glass surface and move around freely, even in a vertical position. The Mamibot 120T also comes with a safety rope that ensures that it won't fall off the window, providing you peace of mind while it's operating. As well as with a remote control, it allows you to operate it from a distance. You can initiate or terminate the cleaning process, change the cleaning mode, and even adjust the cleaning speed with ease. In all, it saves a lot of time and effort. Instead of spending countless hours cleaning your windows yourself, you can simply set up the robot and let it do the work for you, which is especially useful if you have a large home with several windows. Best multi-surface. Hobot 2S. Next is the Hobot 2S. This robot cleaner is equipped with advanced technology and features that make it a top choice for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. It has artificial intelligence that enables it to map out the best cleaning path for your windows, ensuring that every inch of the surface is thoroughly and efficiently cleaned. This feature allows the robot to detect obstacles in its path, preventing it from getting stuck or damaging your windows. It also comes with a powerful suction system that can attach to any glass surface and move around freely, even when cleaning in a vertical position. This ensures that the robot can clean your windows from top to bottom, leaving them sparkling clean. Another impressive feature of this robot is its ability to clean hard-to-reach areas. The Hobot 2S window cleaner offers several benefits for its users. Firstly, it saves a significant amount of time and effort, as you no longer need to spend hours cleaning your windows by hand. Instead, you can set up the robot and let it do the work for you. Another benefit of the Hobot 2S is that it's safe and easy to use. The robot is equipped with safety features such as a backup battery and a safety rope, ensuring that it won't fall off your windows while cleaning. Easy to operate. Mamibot W200. Finally, we're going to talk about the Mamibot W200 Skybot Cordless Window Cleaner, a highly advanced robot that promises to revolutionize your window cleaning experience. This window cleaning robot is packed with unique features and innovative technology that sets it apart from the competition. It comes with a powerful suction system that allows it to stick to glass surfaces and move around freely, even in a vertical position. Plus, this Mamibot W200 Skybot also uses advanced AI technology to map out the most efficient cleaning path for your windows, ensuring that every inch of the surface is cleaned thoroughly. One of the significant benefits of the Mamibot W200 Skybot is its efficiency. The robot can clean windows much faster and more effectively than traditional cleaning methods. Additionally, the cordless design eliminates the need for cords, making it easier to operate and navigate around your windows. As well as its versatility, it can clean a wide variety of glass surfaces, including shower doors, mirrors, and even tiles. Thank you for tuning into our video today. If you're interested in this product, make sure to check the links in the description box below for more information. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews, tips, and tricks. And remember to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.